Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about variables and data types in Python. If you program with other languages, you already know them, but if you don't, it's fine. Before jumping into that, make sure to hit the sub button and bell next to it, so you don't miss next videos. So main question, what is a variable? As simple as possible, variable is a container that can store some data. Data like numbers, text and other things. So in programming, a variable holds a value and has a name. For example, I have a variable named x with the value of 10. If I write this variable name in new line in Python terminal and hit the enter button, it will show us the value of this variable. But there is another way to see the value of variables, and that's using the print command in Python. I'm going to talk about it later, but for now I'm just using it. As you can see here, I'm using variable with the numeric values. And on this kind of variable, you can do the math. For example, we can add the value of variable x to the value of variable time. Also, you are able to do more complicated math on them. Variables got this name because of one simple feature they have. You can change the stored value anytime you want. Here we have variable name time with the value of 2. For changing that value, just write the name of variable, put the equal sign, then write new value. As you can see, the variable value now is 21, but before it was 2. So after doing math on variables, sometimes you need to store them again. There is two ways to do that. First, you can store them in the same variable that you have, or create a new variable, put the result in it. Here I'm going to write the examples for both of this way.